The Virtual Academy has invited the students to explore more hands-on activities. For instance, we've been bringing the kids in to make large life-size sculptures for our Virtual Academy art show. We've even taken the kids to the Corpus Christi Aquarium, where they got to see a variety of species of animals. They got to see the scientific side of their habitats and stuff. It was a very good experience, and we think they enjoyed it very much.
It was really fun. We saw lots of animals, dolphins, sharks, and we learned facts about them. It was really nice.
I loved the aquarium. I love marine life, so it was perfect for me. And here at the art show, it's another one of my big interests. I love art and everything, so it's nice helping out and then being able to actually see it when the art show happens. I'm really excited doing all this stuff.
This art show is a great place for the students to showcase their artwork. They come in person and they set up their own labels, they set up the entire gallery. It's a very nice experience and the kids enjoy it.
I'm a very introverted person, but it makes me happy knowing that there's other people that I can talk to and that I can make new friendships.
So parents and students, if you're looking for a new experience, we're here at the Virtual Academy waiting for you.